Hey guys, it's Donna, and today we have a special video with a humongous beanbag chair from MAXYOYO. So MAXYOYO reached out to see if I would like to share this with my viewers, and I said absolutely yes, because I know both of my girls would absolutely love what they offer. They offer chairs, they offer futon mattresses, a whole slew of comfortable home furniture. You've got to check them out. The links are below in the description. This came super fast. I was very impressed with how fast it came. There's all kinds of colors, there's different styles. This is not the only beanbag chair that they offer. It is very heavy. I actually had to have my husband bring it upstairs so that I could film this for you guys. And I've seen some videos. It's gonna be really fun to open this thing up. So let's not dilly-dally. Let's go ahead and break into this box. You've got some instructions, always important. Take out the packaging from the box, cut open the vacuum packaging with scissors and remove the sofa. Gently pat the sofa, let sit for 24 hours, let it expand. After using for a period of time, shake it, pat to keep it fluffy. Pretty simple. All right, let's see here. I can't even show you guys what it looks like on the inside, but let's see if we can get it out of the box. You also get your exercise. Okay, so here we go. This is what we're working with. Let me turn it the right way though, because it's gonna open up upside down if I don't. Okay. Whew. All right. I love the weight though, because that just means that they have quality products and they're gonna withstand your kids jumping on them, or even bigger humans if they want to jump on them too. All right, let's see here. I'm so impressed with how they packaged this. All right. I'm a little scared to open the vacuum seal because look how small this is. It's going to be huge. So let's just do it. All right, first layer done. Okay, let's keep going. I'm trying to open from the front so you can see what happens here, but I am just not sure where is a good place to cut here, so let's see. You guys as excited as me to get this thing open? So I originally was gonna hold on to this for a birthday or Christmas gift, but it depends on how big it is to whether I can actually hide this in my house. I don't know. I may just have to break that and give it to him now, but let's see. It expand. It's not as scary as I thought it was going to be either. All right, let's see. I'm gonna give it a little bit of a shake to help get the process going here. Oh, much better. So now that I got it all unfluffed, look how big this thing is. It just swallows me. I think I might just keep it in here. I'll just do all my videos from this chair from now on. No. Just kidding, but if you guys want to grab one or check out what they have to offer, everything is so amazing that they have to offer. I had a really hard time picking just this chair. All the information is below in the description though, so you can check it out. Other than that, that's all I've got for you guys.